Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time coming for the tire review in the snow. These are for the General G-Max AS-05s, size 245 4019 for my 18 Accord. I did a review on these a while ago. I could put a link above if you haven't seen it, and if you're considering buying these tires. So far they've been great as far as a summer tire, in the rain and in the cold. They've been pretty good. Now finally we got a snow day. I'm going to show you a few clips of some road that I drove on, actually a parking lot that was completely unplowed, and the car did pretty good. I'll let you see how it did, and then we'll go from there. So as you can see, the car is not going anywhere in a hurry, but yet it's always able to start up and go, and it gets through. Whereas the factory Goodyear tires that my car came equipped with, the car was just, I was getting stuck. I was actually nervous to drive this car in the snow. So now I have quite a bit more confidence as far as driving in the snow when I go to work and stuff like that. So the tire did do the job as far as that. It's not amazing. Don't expect like all-wheel drive kind of traction or like a dedicated snow tire. So yeah, it's a pretty good tire for all season. It does well in the snow. Nothing amazing, like I was saying, but it does well. It gets the job done. You're not going to get stuck. Don't be thinking you're going to set any speed records with acceleration. I'll tell you that. But most people aren't. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'm going to see if I can find a little more snow in the area. Most of it's paved over here where I'm driving, but some of the blocks that I was going past, they actually didn't get to them yet. They only did the arteries. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Got some snow over here. It's a little high, but I'm driving on the snow, not in the center lane, and you know, I'm gonna stop the car just so you can get a better idea. I am moving. The car is going. You know, I'm in the snow. I'm not driving in the where it's melted. So you will be able to get up and go, which is the whole object of the game here. Mission accomplished with these tires. So now as I get back onto a regular road, that's a little high. Plowing with my front lip right now. You know. Nice regular traction again. When there is a little bit of snow here and there, the car is very stable. I don't feel the car sliding. It does have nice grip. You know, going at decent speed right now. I'm gonna cut down this block right here, as you can see. I'm not plowed again. I'm gonna ride in the snow part, just to give you an idea. I'll just stop and do it one more time. And the car is able to get going, so they do work pretty well. I also want to note, when driving in the snow, you see this warning I just got? because the snow is pretty high. It's soft, it's light, it's not packed or anything like that, but it is covering the radar sensor in the front. So you just basically have to wipe that off and that symbol will go away. So I'll do a quick test right now. See how easy that goes away. Get out the car. And that should clear the light. Now let me start driving and see if it actually went away. I'm not sure how long it takes. That's actually the first time that's happened for me. So I'll give it like a minute or so, and I'll start recording again, see if it disappears. Okay, so what I did was I just turned the car off and turned it right back on. That light came back on, and then it automatically went right off once it realized the sensor was no longer being blocked. So I guess you got to shut the car off because it didn't clear right away by itself. So wipe it off, shut it off, turn it back on, and all systems are go. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of the video. Would I purchase these tires again? I would. Is there better options out there? Yeah, I'm sure there are, but overall, for the price point, the way they look, the way they work, I am very happy with my selection, and I don't regret buying these tires. If you do want them, I could put a link in the description on the size. You know, I could put just an Amazon link or whatever if you want to check them out. Other places sell them. Amazon actually does have a really good price on them. You might be able to get them cheaper if there's some kind of like sale or rebate, but usually the rebate's honored as long as you buy them from a distributor. They honor the rebate. So guys, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you liked the video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Thanks for watching.